Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can take a screenshot with the Xiaomi 12T and Xiaomi 12T Pro. Yeah, for that you will have three ways for it. Let me show you the first one. It works with the buttons. So you will need the power button for and the volume down button. Just press these both buttons for short together and you're having a screenshot. After you can see the preview and you can send the screenshot directly to your friends with Messenger, WhatsApp and so on. So one more time, the power button and the volume down button just for short together and you're having a screenshot. If you tap here on the preview, by the way, you're also able to edit the screenshot. You can crop a part if you want, or you can also draw something inside or highlight something as you want. And yeah, pretty cool. After you can send it also directly here to your friends, or with the checkbox here, you send it directly to your gallery. And there's another way to take a screenshot, and for that you will need just 3 fingers for. Just scroll down across the screen and you're having a screenshot. Pretty cool. Please take care that you don't do it from too up, because then you will take a screenshot from the notifications here. So just take 3 fingers, scroll them below the camera, and you're having a screenshot as well. A pretty nice feature. And if you're using 3 fingers, by the way, you can also hold them here on the screen and you can crop now a part of the screen here. But it's pretty cool as well. You can choose it here on top, now the rectangle, the lasso or the circle. Just go on save after and will be part as well of your gallery. And the third option you have is with the control center. So just scroll on your right next to the camera, that you're having the control center, and a part of it is here also the icon with the scissor to take a screenshot. Yeah. And where are the screenshots after? Of course, here at the gallery. And they're mixed up here with the other photos from the camera and so on. It's the reason why I recommend to you to go on the albums, because the screenshots have here their own folder just for your screenshots. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That will be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me to don't miss a new video. Thank you so much for all your support. And yeah, maybe next time. Ciao.